Welcome to this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. I've got a really good one for you here. In this video, grab a pen and paper because I'm going to show you how to create a $3,000 monthly income stream with an affiliate funnel and show you how to do the whole thing via AI really quickly. So the benefit of this is it's always been possible. It's actually how I got started with ClickBank. But the benefit of this is with AI you can make the whole thing super easy, and you can get this all done if you know what you're doing in a day. If you're brand new and you're setting up funnels or copying and pasting emails is more difficult, it will take you 2 or 3 days, but really quick. So I'm looking forward to showing you this. It will be really good. Grab a pen and paper. Do subscribe if you're interested in building income streams for 2026, because I've got a lot more on the way. And if you want help with this, step-by-step help, check out the link below. This is the final time I'm doing it. I've extended the timer for the Beat the 9 to 5 pack. The Beat the 9 to 5 bundle. You get 3 of the quickest income streams you can build and complete step by step. So if you like this video, once we've been through it, you're going to love the bundle because it goes step by step in video of how to do, and I've actually set up some funnels for you, so you don't even have to do this stuff. You've got pre-built funnels, and you're also getting all of my products and webinars from 2024 and 2025 with your purchase. That's over 50 hours of content. I think it's closer to 60 hours. The catch on that is there's only 21 hours, and then I'm turning that off. So do check out the link below. It's in the YouTube description. Okay, so let's build you a $3,000 a month income stream. Here we go, really quickly and easily. Okay, what I've done is I've picked ClickBank here, but you could essentially use any funnel and any product to do this. The reason I picked ClickBank is because everyone knows it and it's super easy. You can sign up today for free and you can pick an affiliate product and start getting going straight away. So this is the prompt that you need. It's quite a long one, but I'm going to read it out, and I'm also going to provide a link underneath this video in a pinned comment with the prompt to use. Okay, so this is the prompt. You are an expert ClickBank affiliate marketer who builds simple scalable funnels using YouTube traffic. My goal is to make $3,000 per month profit promoting one ClickBank affiliate product. Step 1, income breakdown. This is what you're telling AI to do. Calculate the average commission, the number of sales per day that we need to hit $3,000 a month. Show 3 scenarios, front end only, front end and 1 upsell, front end and email follow up. Explain how each one works. Step 2, product selection. Suggest 3 ClickBank products that are still converting in 2025, 2026. Have a strong video sales letter. Pay at least $50 per sale, front end or with upsells. Suitable for YouTube traffic, not oversaturated or scammy. For each product, include the niche, average commission, refund risk, who the buyer is, and why it works with YouTube. Then pick one product and explain why it's the best choice. Step 3, funnel. Design a simple proven funnel including traffic source, opt-in page, lead magnet idea, grid page or direct link strategy, email sequence structure. Keep it realistic, no complicated tech stacks. Step 4, how to promote on YouTube. Create a YouTube traffic plan that includes channel type, content style, 10 specific video titles that are high intent, click worthy, affiliate friendly, and also explain how much promotion, videos per week, how long the videos, and then scaling to $3,000 and exactly how to do that. So you'll see as we go through this prompt, the output, final output is what you're going to get: a simple 30-day action plan, a weekly target checklist, and 1 sentence that sums up why this will work. Now, that is a long prompt. You'll find it in a pinned comment below this video. So here's the output of that prompt. Step 1, income breakdown, $3,000 target. So I won't go through all this, but what it's done is taken that first step, is giving you $50 to $75 sale per product with upsells, and then refund sale goal, refund safe goal. So taking into account any refunds that come through, so you can still hit your goal. Scenario 1 is just a front end product to hit $3,000 a month. Monthly sales needed 50, 1.7 a day equal 2 a day. This is harder because you've just got the front end. Then front end and one sale, and you'd only need one buyer a day, one sale a day to hit the target. On average upsell commission $40 and front end $60. Okay, and then front end and email follow up. So front end and upsell and email follow up. Okay, and then it's giving me a best scenario for beginner, intermediate, and it's giving me some product selections. So we've got the money wave, side income, financial education, good commission. Refund risk is medium, buyer 30 to 55, financially frustrated, skeptical but curious. Then neuro balance therapy, a health product, and then Java burn, a weight loss product. Best pick for 3k a month is the money wave, as recommended by AI. Higher average order value without insane refunds, strong video sales letter, and so on. Step 3, funnel structure. So yes, use an opt-in. Funnel flow will be a YouTube video to promote it with an opt-in, get you free stuff. Then a bridging page, which is a page that sort of says you've signed up and it points to the affiliate product. Then a video sales letter, which is the product. Then follow-up emails. Lead magnet ideas, the bridge page, what to put on it, short video or text, and then the email sequence. Okay. Now I know this is fairly bare bones, but bear with me, check this out. It's also given a YouTube promotion strategy, recommends faceless YouTube videos, and then it goes into the high intent video titles that you could use, exact call to action to use, and then the posting schedule. Now get this is how cool it is. Step 5, scaling to $3,000 a month. How could you do it? Increase the conversion rates, increase traffic, and so on, what not to do. And then your 30-day action plan. Week 1, pick the offer, set up the opt-in and email sequence, so it's giving you how to do it. Now, that's all bare bones, but then what you do is you take that prompt and here's the output, and I've put, okay, now help me build the opt-in page and funnel messages for the money wave, so that affiliate product, and give me my first YouTube video recommendation. And then AI is giving me an opt-in page, the free side income streams that quietly replace my 9-to-5 without hustle or paid ads. So now obviously don't lie, refine that if that wasn't the case, but you can see how easy it is to get opt-in page ideas. If you wanted to refine this and say, I didn't replace my 9-to-5 income with this income stream, so can you refine that? It will do so. Okay, so don't lie on it. My point is, you've got the headline, you've got the sub-headline promoting a free guide, you've got the supporting bullet ideas, you've got the disclaimer, you've got a recommended email sequence once they opt in with all the messages written for you. So email 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a YouTube video idea. Okay, and then going down again, I've put, okay, that free guide that they're getting with their email opt-in, help me build the guide with affiliate links within. Help me build the guide with affiliate links within for delivery via email. Guide title, the free side income streams that quietly replace my 9-to-5 without hustle, paid ads or burnout. And it's given me an introduction, why the guide exists, section 1, section 2. And the cool thing is here, guys, you could do your own videos to place within the guide. You can expand on this. So what you could do is go, okay, talk more about this. Section 2, give them more information on this. Building a product, give them more info. So you can flesh out this guide and make it really, really good. But essentially it's giving them income stream ideas in this case, and then it's actually giving section 3 is the affiliate product with your affiliate link in, your affiliate link. So now you've got a product to promote, the exact sequence to use. You know how many sales you need. You know that you're going to use YouTube, and you've got the YouTube video ideas. And then you've got the guide that you're going to give away for free, and you can flesh this out. So they're going to get a guide straight away, and then you can send people to the affiliate product via the thank you page. Okay? And then final section, and then it's telling me how to deliver via email. And then next steps, okay? Turn this into a design PDF layout, so I could say, okay, great. And you'd want to refine that guide, but what I want to explain to you here is exactly how to build it. So the next step would be, okay, great, give me a picture of how the funnel will work from opt-in. So you can ask AI to help you build this, and you can ask it to give you a visual as it's doing now, giving you a funnel flow. So here we go, and it's done this for us. So now we're saying, okay, lead magnet opt-in page will go straight from the YouTube video, and then we've got the bridging page with a video, an introduction. You could even record yourself with a link to the affiliate offer, tell them what they're going to get for free and the free guide that they're going to get in their email, and then you've got the thank you page. So affiliate marketing funnel, traffic, opt-in, warm up, pitch, optimize. So it's giving me lots of different, and here's the thing, without a bridge page, traffic source, YouTube going. So my point is this: the way you do it is you take, let me go back up to the beginning, you take that prompt and you paste it in whatever your goal is, $3,000 a month for an example here, and then it's going to give you all the main sections that you need. It's going to tell you the product, it's going to tell you the funnel that you need, it's going to tell you how many sales that you need, and it's going to tell you how to promote. And then as you go through, so we know how many sales, we've got our product, and then as you go through for the building stuff of building the funnel, building the email, you just ask AI to refine it as I've done here. So build the opt-in page, and you can even slow it down and like this. So you could say, okay, let's start with the opt-in page. Give me the headline first to use. We will go through step by step. So now you've slowed it right down. Look, check this out. Here's 5 headline options. The free side income streams that will quietly replace my 9 to 5. Still my simple side income blueprint. Most side hustles fail. Here are the 3 that still work. So reply with the number you want, and I'll write the sub headline. So it's going through it step by step. So let's go for most side hustles fail. Here are the 3 that still work in 2026. So let's go for 3. Perfect choice. Final headline locked in. There. So you've got your headline. Next step is the sub headline. Do you want the tone to be more calm or credible or direct or bold? So let's go for direct, bold, and intriguing. So they opt in. Make the opt-in reward something special. So now we're going through, and I've said, okay, for the sub headline, the short guide reveals the only income models that still work in 2026. So you do want to edit this. You don't want to lie, but I'm showing you how to map it all out. We haven't done any writing. We've now got the headline and the sub headline, and then the opt-in reward, the side income reality check. So that's quite cool, isn't it? The side income, a no BS breakdown of what works and what doesn't. So I actually prefer that idea. So the next thing that you'd write is the micro story paragraph, and you'd then carry on with the landing page. But I quite like this idea, so I love the idea for this guide. Help me write it and make it awesome. Let's write in sections to make the guide really good, so I can offer via email opt-in. So again, breaking it down, we've now done the opt-in page. There was more to do on there, but you saw how it works step by step. And now we're going into the guide. Look, here we go. Section 1, the uncomfortable truth about side income, the real reason, and again, you're just refining all the time. Main point is this: Main takeaways. Number one, use it to get a good idea of your goals and how to reach them. Use it to get an affiliate product picked out for you. Use it to write the opt-in page and write your free giveaway. Use it to help build the funnel, and all you do is you take that main stream that it gave you right at the top that we had to look at, and for each section that you want expanded, you literally just say, okay, expand on this, point me in the right direction here, and then all you need to do on your part is grab a domain, put it on WordPress or put it on a opt-in page, and if you're stuck with that, you can ask AI to help recommend how to do it for free, and you're up and running. Then you've got all the information that you need to build the YouTube videos as well. So go and use that. Go and use that to build a $3,000 a month income stream or a $10,000. The main point is, yes, you might not hit $3,000, but you're going to hit far more than doing nothing. So you can do all of this without. Main takeaway as well is don't lie on it. So when it's saying I make, write that you make $1 million a year or anything like that, I'm not saying lie. I'm saying use AI to build a $3,000 a month income stream without any writing, quickly and easily. Make the guide really good, offer value, and then it can also walk you through how to do the faceless YouTube videos. I'll talk about that in another video, so do subscribe if you're interested in knowing how to do them and how to promote with Reddit and how to get traffic. But there's exactly how you can start building a $3,000 a month income stream. So I hope you enjoyed it. For more on this, do subscribe because I've got more coming up. And if you just want to get a complete, you want to get started straight away and you want to get step-by-step instructions on exactly how to build it, where I share the screen and show you exactly how to build it, do check out the offer and get the Beat the 9 to 5 bundle and all of my products for free as well. So I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.